installation installation 名词安装
The price of the air conditioner doesn't include a $99 installation fee.
tablet tablet 名词平板电脑
The company unveiled a new version of its tablet computer on Tuesday.
malfunction malfunction 名词动词故障失灵
The elevator's first malfunction happened last week.
coil coil 名词线圈
The coil of the water heater was still under warranty, so it was fixed at no charge.
sophisticated sophisticated 形容词复杂的精密的
None of us know how to handle such sophisticated camera equipment.
unplug unplug 动词拔插头
I used to unplug appliances when they were not in use.
capacity capacity 名词容量产量能力
The factory has the capacity to produce 250,000 cars a year.
fax fax 名词动词传真
Please submit your resume by fax or email to be considered for this position.
cutting edge cutting edge 形容词尖端的最新的
The cutting-edge design for this office chair makes it extra comfortable.
reduction reduction 名词减少降低
The reduction in sugar consumption really helped him lose weight a lot.
initiative initiative 名词主动自主
Interns are advised to take the initiative to seek help if they need assistance.
screen screen 名词萤幕动词检查筛检
Organ donors should get routinely screened for the disease.
engage engage 动词聘用结合
Doris was immediately engaged as a product manager after the interview.
outlet outlet 名词插座排放孔销售据点
My laptop battery is low, so I need to find an electric outlet.
distinguish distinguish 动词区分辨别
This guidebook can help you distinguish all these models easily.
recur recur 动词复发反复出现
The engineers have redesigned the system to prevent the problem from recurring.
maintenance maintenance 名词维持维护保养
You had better consider the annual maintenance fees before buying a car.
shred shred 动词切丝撕碎
All of the shredded documents will be recycled into secondary paper products.
expose expose 动词暴露露出揭露
The politicians' gambling habits were exposed by a journalist.
laboratory laboratory 名词实验室
The research laboratory specializes in the analysis of stem cells.
obsolete obsolete 形容词过时的淘汰的
The invention of computers soon made typewriter obsolete.
household household 名词家庭一户
Our appliances can reduce household energy use by 20% on average.
archive archive 名词档案库动词存档封存
All the documents should be scanned and stored in the digital archive.
telecommute telecommute 动词远程办公在家上班
Telecommuting will likely become the norm after the pandemic.
equipment equipment 名词配备设备
We need to set up the audio equipment before the singer gets here.
manipulate manipulate 动词操纵控制操弄
All the mechanical arms here are manipulated with this joystick.
blink blink 名词动词闪烁眨眼
A yellow blinking light indicates that there is something wrong with the machine.
transparent transparent 形容词透明的
The refrigerator features a door that becomes transparent by pressing a button.
device device 名词装置仪器
The device can also be used to measure humidity.
insulation insulation 名词隔绝
The three-layer walls provide sound insulation to prevent noise from going out.
哟，听到这个音乐就代表这期影片当中的30个多益必考单字算是复习完毕啦。还记得我们从 Ebbinghaus 的遗忘曲线中所得出来的结论吗？与其一次长时间死命的背很多单字，倒不如运用每天琐碎的时间观看影片，将复习中间间隔的时间缩短，观看次数的频率拉高，才能提高记忆单字的效率哦。那如果觉得影片内容对你有所帮助的话，也请帮我按赞、订阅、留言、分享，让 YouTube 演算法知道这是一支值得推广的影片。好，这期影片到此就算差不多啦。我是 Parker， 这是帕克英文，我们下期影片再见啦，拜。